excretory system? Are you listening, Naeem?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me some of the parts of the excretory system. Don't know. Rahan, tell me. Rahan, tell me. Irene.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the parts of the excretory system.
Ma'am, kidney,
Kidney.
bladder,
Okay. What bladder? What do you call for that?
urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder. Okay. Okay, Irene. Fatima, another two parts.
Ma'am, uterus and urethra.
Urethra and the ureter. Okay. Good. Aaron, what is the function of the kidney?
Ma'am, the function of kidney is to purify the blood, ma'am.
To purify the blood, filter the blood and collect the waste products. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
today morning did we have a class 8:30?
8:30 what class you had? Today you didn't have any class. You have, see, the timetable has a changes. So you had only 3 classes, 9:50, social studies, and then now it is this one, no? Your science. Accent training was there. Yeah.
Ma'am, I just made sure.
No, I have seen it because I have sent Jennifer the timetable. So there will be some changes in this week only. So tomorrow also, I don't think whether you have some class or something of science or something. There will be changes. Okay, that is leave it. So filter the blood. Okay, Nihal, what is the function of the urethra? Urethra. Okay, forget about what is urinary bladder. You are absent in the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ryan, Rihan.
Yes.
Do you remember the function of urinary bladder? Okay, which part store the urine? Urethra or urinary bladder?
Urinary bladder.
The urinary bladder stores. Okay?
Yes. Urinary bladder.
Stores. And after urinary bladder, it connected to urethra. Then after urethra, you will have a urinal opening. So that is what we studied about it. So the parts of the excretory system already we explained. These are the thing. And children, in your textbook today, I will be sending the notes to you in the group. So you have to, the last question exercise. Can you go to page number, all of you, if you have textbook, go to page number 132, please. Page number 132. Page number 132. The figure, the question number 13. What is the question number 13? Draw a diagram of the human excretory system and label the various parts. So this diagram you need to learn to draw for the exam, and also you have to learn to label it because it's a simple diagram, very simple, because kidney is just like a bean shape and 2 pipes, and then there is a bladder just like a round basket, and urethra is just like a tube. Clear? So you have to draw this diagram and you have to mark these parts. When I send the notes, I am not given this diagram. Only question I have given, and the page number and the figure number I have given. Your duty is to draw it in the ruled sheet. Clear? Okay.
Ma'am, can we draw it in a A4 sheet?
You can draw it in a?
Ma'am, can we draw it in a A4 sheet?
No, this is a part of the question answer, no, Fatima. So better you draw it in the same page because I am going to correct it when you come to the school. So now 8th standard they came, I am correcting their notes. So all these notes I want to correct it. So from acid chapters onwards, everyone should complete the notes. The first term notes, I don't want because if those are written, you can give me for correction. But in first term portion, you may not be having exams in the final exam. Okay, because acid is there. So many chapters are there. So for acid onwards, you need to submit while you come in the school. Clear? Clear. Okay. So this is the thing I need to tell you. Now I just want to show you a video. We also have some channels. Can you tell apart from urine and number 2, through which way you remove the waste materials from your body? And think,
Ma'am, from the anus, ma'am.
ah,
Anus.
Anus from anus.
wait.
Anus, ma'am.
Anus.
Anus is the part of the thing we excrete. That is the feces. Feces goes out of it. Okay. Apart from this, apart anus and urinary bladder, there are some part of our body
Sweat,
also.
ma'am. Sweat. And
Sweat. Sweat also is a part of throwing out some waste material. So apart from this kidneys and all, we also have another organ, that is our muscles. Muscles also undergo what type of respiration it is? Aerobic or anaerobic?
Anaerobic, ma'am.
Anaerobic. So when we do anaerobic respiration, our muscles start sweating and the sweat will come out of it. So sweat, you know, some of the sweat contain some foul smell and also some salty taste. Why? Because through the sweat, it comes out of it. Through the sweat, some of the waste material also comes out of it. What are the material? Water and some salts. So water and some salts also comes out through our body in sweat. So what is another function of the sweat? It will not only removing, but also it is helping us to, during the summer days, it is helping us to cool our body, to feel cool or cool our body. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think it is clear. I think we have discussed up to here. So by this, we have completed the excretory system in humans. Now we are coming to the last portion of this chapter, that is excretion in animals. So not only humans, there are some system for animals also. The way in which, Aaron, can you read it, because I'm finding it difficult to speak. Can you?
Okay, ma'am. Excretion in animals.
Mm.
The way in which waste chemicals are removed from the body of the animal depends on availability of water.
Okay.
Aquatic
Next.
animals like fishes excrete cell waste as ammonia, which directly dissolves water. Some land animals like birds, lizards, snakes excrete a semi-solid white-colored compound, uric acid, dialysis. Some persons cannot survive unless their can you move it? Unless their blood is filtered periodically through an artificial kidney due to infection or injury. This process is called dialysis.
Okay, I think we have discussed this also. Is it so? Did we discuss?
Yes.
ma'am. Last.
Yeah, last class we discussed. So, apart from the human being, animals also, there are some peculiar animals, but the basis, the animals excretory system works on how much water they take. Depending upon, some of the waste material is solid, some become semi-solid, just like crows and other birds, and also fish. Fish also, they have some waste is in the form of a small rice particles. So you have seen in aquarium, a dark type of things are underneath of the aquarium. Actually, what is that? It is the excretory product of the fishes which is in the aquarium. So when you put the sucker fish, what the sucker fish does? It eat all this excrete parts of the other fish. So that is how they are cleaning the water. Clear? Yes. And I also told about dialysis. The people, those excretory system is not working, they are highly diabetic, and there will be time comes their excretory system, the kidney will never work. It will kidney failure, and those people artificially we have to purify the blood. So their life will be life will be only on dialysis. Some people, some people their dialysis will be once in a month. Some people once in a week, depending upon intensity of their sickness, their diabetic patients. And some, those are come to the last end of their highly diabetic. That is a 3 phase of diabetic. Diabetic, you have 3 types. First diabetic phase, second diabetic phase, third diabetic phase. First diabetic phase is not so danger. But if you control the food intake, because your glucose will not be completely digested when you have the food. So you should have lot of leafy vegetable and other vegetable. You have to reduce the intake of non-veg those time, because it takes more time to digest the non-veg. Okay, especially beef. Beef is very dangerous for them. Chicken, okay, 1 piece I know they can have. Second type of diabetes means intensity increases little more. That is the time they started taking insulin as a medicine or injecting insulin every day. So you are giving a medicine through injection, and that medicine will help the kidney to purify the blood to do the digestion and excretion parts. But when you get third type of diabetes, that's the final stage of that person. By the time one of these organs may be affected, maybe the person cannot walk, sometimes eyesight reduces, sometimes diabetic patients will have a respiratory problem, heart attack, heart blocks, all that. So diabetes is something very dangerous, slowly killing the person, not at a stretch. Cancer and all also will kill. Sometimes final stage of cancer person will die fast. But diabetes, something like that, it will kill the person slowly. One by organ will be shutting down. They will do the work. And once you come to the final stage of dialysis, all the organs will not work, and that person will be completely paralyzed. Like he cannot eat, he may have only some liquid food and all. So for that, those people, in order to come to the normal stage, we have to do artificial dialysis or purify. What is dialysis? It's a 4 hours of process. Every week, maybe the person who go for once in a dialysis in once in a month, he will go 4 hours. They will drain the blood out of your body through your blood vessel. They connect, they do a small surgery, they open the blood vessels, and then they connect with the artificial plastic tubes, and through that they drain your blood out of it, and afterwards purifying, they will put that blood again back to it. So that is dialysis. Children, Aaron is not able to hear. No, you are scared of it. Why I am explaining lot? I told you, my mother is facing this stage. Final dialysis, I already mentioned in the last class. Okay. Yes. So she is undergoing 3 dialysis in a week. Today she has dialysis. Today and tomorrow there is no dialysis. Next day we have to take her again for dialysis. So her life is like that. Once you come for after the dialysis, she start eating the food. After one day, she will go back to sickly mood, that she will not walk. By the time we take to dialysis, again purified. So her life is fully on dialysis. Why I'm telling you, students, now you need to control your food. You can have all the food, no problem, but do some exercise. Play shuttle, play badminton, something you do it, so that your this excretory digestive, yes, now only if you start your body, see, I'm telling you, now you make your body is fit, like how this players do, they go for a fit training, correct? You require only maybe 10 minutes, 30 minutes play. That's enough for you. You don't have to do a lot. You are now fully normal health. And if you practice Exercise is part of your body, part of your life. When you go 30, 40 years also, you will continue with that. Otherwise, according to Kerala lifestyle, majority diabetic patients are in Kerala. You see, when I took my mother for dialysis, that 35-year-old boy coming for dialysis in this young age. And some are, one day my mother's dialysis in the night, midnight, because there is no places vacant. Morning and after early hours, even 3 o'clock itself, there are people coming for dialysis in the hospital, Aster Medicity. That much it is fully packed. Okay. And I saw by 10 o'clock, one young man, yeah, young man, he is gone for work and he is coming. And I took my mother out of her dialysis bed and he came and lie down on that bed. He is going for dialysis. It's just like routine. Go for an injection and coming.
Ma'am,
And there are-
Apollo is the best hospital, ma'am.
Apollo, Aster, everywhere. No seat. It's fully, it's 24 hours dialysis. Because each dialysis takes 4 hours. Draining the blood out of one human person and putting back. It's not easy, correct? Okay. Correct. So, that much we are advanced in our life, but at the same time, our lifestyle made us body at a health
Yes,
risk.
ma'am.
Then I have seen one of my neighbor. He is a worker, laborer, but mother is undergoing dialysis. So morning hours he go for work, and night he is taking her mother for dialysis. And it's costly also. One dialysis nearly 3,000 daily. You just imagine how much money you have to spend for it.
Ma'am, 3,000.
Yeah, 3,000. But there are people who go for dialysis for 1 month, once in a week. Their money goes around 6,000 per dialysis.
Ma'am,
Now, alternative days is we are paying 3,000. Just see.
ma'am,
Yes, Naeem.
ma'am, what we shouldn't eat too much.
Too much means too much fat material, fat food. Just like beef and all, there's a lot of red meat. Red meat is beef.
Yes,
Beef
yes,
is a red meat.
Okay.
And if you have chicken also, remove the fat part of the chicken. And you can have it, not overeating everything. Okay. Eat it everything properly.
With limits, yes, no?
With the limits, yes. And once in twice in a week, included leafy vegetables or any other type of vegetables in your food, because that will help increase the content of fiber. We have learned in second chapter, no? I think not second chapter, sixth standard or something. We have learned about components of food. There we learn about dietary fiber and all. Yeah.
Ma'am, if we got that dialysis, we should.
That means you have to be very careful in taking sugar things like sweet things, no?
Candy, yes.
Laddus, jalebis, pedas, because they contain glucose already. In our body already you are getting glucose by eating the food. So our body is helping to digest that glucose which we are getting through our rice and all other food. When you have excess of sweet content, you are adding excess sugar into it or excess glucose into it. So sometimes our system is a machine. Our digestive system is just like a machine. Sometimes it will slowly slow down because it cannot take it more digestion. That's why. So that is the time what happens. One day, the digestive system tells you, okay, enough and more I digested. Now I don't digest. I don't make it, I didn't digest that food. So what will happen to this glucose? Glucose will accumulated in your body. Next day again you are putting lot of food items in your mouth. So already last day's glucose is still remaining in your body. Now what happened? Work is accumulating. And slowly, this excess glucose will be stored in your body, in your muscles. And slowly it will turn into affecting each organ slowly. So that is why fat people, especially the people, those are more weightage, more than their age, they have prone to diabetes because of that. Okay, children. So that is what it is a dirty. I can say it's a dirtiest sickness. I can say cancer and all. Okay, maybe 1 or 2 years you suffer and you will die. This is entire life you suffer, and there will be time come you cannot do more dialysis. Then that is the time you have allow your people to let us go take them. That's the condition. So those who are loving mothers, they will continue taking care of their parents.
Yes, ma'am.
Some of them
Parents.
cannot afford. It's a lot of money, no? How a daily wager can afford like this? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so that's about it, children. So we have completed by that the transportation, the excretory system. And now we are moving on to like excretory system, like transportation. Our plants also does the transportation, but not the blood, it is the water. It is the water and minerals. Okay, Rihan, what happened to you? Why in between you? Why in between? Why woke up and went? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to.
Okay. Now, shall I? Okay, Rihan. Shall I ask this one, Nihal, to read? Nihal is there, or any other one? Who will read? I can't see the video of any of you.
Ma'am, I will read.
Okay, you read. Transport of substances in plants.
The plant take
Ma'am,
water
can
and minerals nutrition from the soil through the roots and transport it to
Children, don't write it in your textbook. Okay, don't write. You just listen.
Ma'am, can I enter another device?
Okay, Rihan.
the plants take water and minerals nutrition from the soil through the root and transport it to the leaves. The leaves prepare food for the plant using water and carbon dioxide during photosynthesis.
Okay. So did you understand? Okay, enough. Dear, 1 minute. So did you understand how the transportation, water and minerals and nutrients from the soil, who takes
Yes,
first?
ma'am.
Roots. Roots will hand over to through the stem, it will reach to the leaves. And leaves will prepare the food and during photosynthesis. Already we have learned in second chapter. Okay, continue. Next.
Okay, ma'am. Transportation of
Same
water
thing.
and minerals. The roots can absorb the initial minerals and water the soil. The roots have hair-like structure present on them. The hair increase surface area of root and hence allow more amount of absorption.
Okay, children, see, this is the same thing. Who the roots are taking? Which type of structure is helping to have the roots? Some hair-like structures. We call them as a fibrous or taproot veins. Okay. So I think can you read this one? The next one we will continue the next class. Can you complete up to here, please?
From the root, the water and minerals are transported to other part of the plant through special kind of tissues called vascular tissues. There are two vascular tissues present in plants.
Okay, that's enough, dear. Okay, so I'm not going, we'll continue with it because almost time to ring the bell. So, which is that tissues where the root is helping? You said root has a hair-like structure. This hair-like structures actually, it is a one type of cells. We call them vascular tissues. So, mainly we have two type of vascular tissues in the roots, xylem and phloem. So, what is xylem? What is phloem? We will learn in the next class. Okay, children? So, the root is not simply, it also have a particular structure to continue the transportation. Clear? And that root hair-like structure is a particular cell. We call them vascular tissues or vascular cells. And there are mainly two cells, xylem and phloem. Okay? Okay, children. Bye bye. We will see in the next class. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.